Hello, Sunbeams 2. We are on to week 16. So this week will be as normal, and next week you will have a video to watch, but we won't have any individual time. You will be doing a group performance, getting ready for masterclass, and there's going to be some options of times for you to join in for that, okay? So let's get started with our song. And we're going to say, it's frosty. When the sun peeks from behind the clouds, the sunbeams sing and play. We will be together when it's frosty. It is our music day. Then we'll see who's joining in the fun. Clap your hands and tap your toes. Keep time with everyone. When we join our hands and circle round, the sunbeams bring a smile. We will be together in our class and happy all the while. Then we'll see who's joining us today. Hello, Sunbeams, hello, Sunbeams, we're all here to play. Right hand, let's say hello to everyone. Hello, everyone. And let's do our scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, di, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Okay, so I want you to sing do, mi, so, upper do, so, mi, do. And then I'm going to repeat one. You ready? Okay, so make sure you're singing. Another one. So tell me if this is major, happy, or minor, sad. Happy? Happy still? Sad. Okay, so I'd like you to clap this back for me. Again. Together. Good. And for your rhythm bags, okay? Again. And another one for your rhythm bags. Again. Okay, so one and blueberry, ta, ta. Okay, good. So for homework this week, we are looking at stems. So on H41, we have, you have to add the stems and name the notes. So this is going to be a fair bit of homework to do, and just maybe do one line a day. So stem rule, middle line, your stem can go up or down. If it's below the middle line, your stem has to go up because you are diving down. You're going to make a D for diving. Excuse me. If you're above the middle line, you're going to make a P for paddling. Okay. So you're going to go through, and remember our sharp sign comes before the note when it's on the staff, but when we write it like we would say it, we would say G sharp, so it comes after. We write it like we play it, we write it like we say it, okay? So that's one homework page, and H42 is nice and easy. It's some terms, so we have andante, which is a walking pace, Moderato, it's a medium speed, moderate speed. It's not fast, it's not slow. And we have Adagio, and that's slow, but it's not as slow as Largo. Largo is slow and broad, but it's not as fast as Andante, which is at a walking pace. Okay. Then we have some dynamics, piano, which is soft or quiet, forte, which is loud or strong, and crescendo, gradually getting louder. Piano, forte, crescendo. Then we have repeat sign down here. So that means you go back to the beginning and repeat. Or if there's one of these backwards, you go back to there and repeat the section in between there. We have a quarter rest, 1 count, and we have fermata, which means hold longer than it's written. Okay, so make sure you know terms on there. And G major scale with left hand chords. So we should be getting fairly good with that. W34. We are doing line 3 and 4 this week to work through our G major with the chord change page. So we've done line 1 and 2, now 3 and 4, and just remember that F sharp in G major. And W24. We are looking at articulation, and I need you to work at this page, okay? So you pick one line a day. This one you are going to play smooth all the way through. So you're going to hold the B until you play the G and just keep it all nice and connected. Then on the next day, you're playing in 3-note slurs. And when you play in 3-note slurs, the first note is always louder than the other two. So it's da, 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 da. And you're lifting in between these now. Then on the third day, you're playing in 2-note slurs. So it's da, da, bounce, and a staccato. So again, different articulation there. And then on day 4, it's staccato. Bounce, 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 bounce. Okay? And remember, when you play staccatos, it's not how fast you go in, but how fast you come out of that note that makes it nice and crisp. So I need you to have a look at this page. And if you have time with everything else that you're working on, you can look at K34 because it's kind of a little fun popcorn one for us to look at. But your masterclass and festival pieces are priority, and composition, we need to get those completed and into me by the 14th of February. So we have Allegro as our tempo. So that means we are quick and lively. We are in the key of G major. So watch all the F sharps going through here. And then this one bar, even if you don't play this piece, I need you to look at this bar. So we have G, F sharp, F natural, it cancels out the key signature, and then they want you to play F sharp again, so they put another F sharp in, and same note, same pitch, same bar. This F sharp applies to here as well. Okay, so G, F sharp, F natural, F sharp, F sharp. Okay, so understand how your accidental rule works and how a natural sign will cancel out a key signature, or it could also cancel out an accidental if there was one in front of it. All right. L30, contrary motion and similar motion. So contrary motion goes off in opposite directions, sharing the same note to start. Similar motion starts an octave apart and moves in the same direction going up. So, number 1, are we contrary motion or similar motion? Okay, so number 1 should be contrary. Number 2. Should be similar. Everything sounded harmonizing going through there. Number 3. Still similar. And last one. Contrary. Okay. So, that is your homework for this week. And make sure you are using your tin sheet for note reading and that you're using your rhythm bags and working on your scale so that you are nice and comfortable with the chord changes on your G major. And I will have a video for you next week, and I'll send out the times for you to choose for your group time to play for some different kids. Okay, so have a really good week, and we'll say goodbye. So long, farewell, our music class is over. We sang a bit and played a bit, and now it's time to study it. Bye, guys.